Hey, business owners and friends, do you know how to generate a QR code for something in your business or even in your personal life for a sign-up sheet? So let me know in the comments if you already know how to do that or if you don't know. Um, so today I'm actually going to share my screen and we're going to do one together. So give me a second. All right, so we're going to build this out in Canva. And I love to use Canva. Let's see here. Okay, perfect. Okay, so you can see Canva here on your screen. This is what you would get when you log in. And we're not going to create a design yet. Actually, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the search bar because I'm going to show you how quick you can do this. So we're going to search for the word QR code. So when I do that, what's going to happen is you're going to have some options come up. And in our quick example here, because what Canva does is a digital playground where you can use templates of designs that are already in here. And depending on whether or not you have the free version or the paid version, some of these things may or may not be available to you. I do have the paid version. So I'm actually going to use this one here. It's called the menu. So I'm going to click on that. And when this one comes up, what you're going to do is you see here it says to put your barcode right here. All right, so I'm going to click there. And actually, I'm going to delete that box. So I just clicked on it, and then I deleted it. I'm going to go over here on this left panel. There's a button called QR code. And this might be different. I think this depends on how you have your panel set up. But look for the one that's called QR code. So right here, it's telling me that you need to enter a URL. Now, I personally don't have a menu, but this is actually my website. So I'm going to come here. I'm actually going to copy Control A, and then I'm going to do Control C to copy. I'm going to come back to Canva, and I'm going to put my URL right here in this box with Control V. Then I'm going to generate my code. So right here, you can see it populated on my screen. And now I'm going to put it right back, put it up here in this box. So now if you wanted to, you can, if you put your phone up, you can click on this, and then what will come up for you is actually my website. But you get the idea here. Wherever you generate your menu, or you can put it there. Now, let's say I just want to show you another quick tip in Canva. You see how this part is green? Maybe your colors aren't green, and you can see it's at the top and at the bottom, right? So when I click there, you can see that green color come up. So I'm going to click on that. Let's say you want to use the color blue. So I'm going to click on blue. All right, so now you can see there's a color blue, but you see I want this part also blue. So what I can do here, if you look at the very, very bottom, it says change all green to blue. So I'm going to click on that button, and there you go, voila. Now everything matches. And so Canva lets you pick your own brand colors and everything like that. So that's another reason why I love Canva. Now I'm going to show you another way to build a QR code that's pretty quick as well. So I'm going to take you now back to the home screen. All right, and now I'm just going to click on Create a Design. Now, Create a Design is this purple button. You can't see it. It's behind my logo up here in the top right corner of the screen, but you can kind of see here's my mouse, and I'm going to click on Create a Design. I'm just going to select a poster, okay? And what's cool about Canva too, just in case you're wondering, you can resize things to whatever platform you're using. So like Facebook or LinkedIn or whatever. You can set you see there's a resize button up here, and you can resize the poster to how you need it. All right, so what I'm going to build here is a sign-up sheet. This will be more for personal use, possibly. But let's say I got some kids and they're going to play soccer, and I'm going to create a sign-up sheet for them, and I need to share it with the other parents. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on my poster here. I'm going to click a color. I'm just going to color it yellow. Now I'm going to go over here to elements right over here on the left bar, and I'm looking for soccer. Okay, so I'm going to click on soccer. So you're going to see everything that comes up for soccer. I want this image right here. So I'm going to take that image, click it, and then I'm going to move it. And then I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to Control C. See? Oopsie. And it's not copying, so I'll just do another one there like that. All right, so I'll just bring it over, put it down like that. Now I want to add some text here real quick, so I'm going to choose this one right here. All right, my child's team name, we'll just call it Go Chargers. Then down here, I want this to say snack sign up sheet. So snack sign up sheet. Perfect. Okay, so I want, actually, I'm going to Control A to select all of that. I want to make my font bigger. All right, so I'm going to draw that out there. Now I'm going to come here because I want this also to be bigger. So I'm going to Control A to select all. Come up here. Let's make it 100. No, let's make it 80. Okay. All right, perfect. So we'll just move that up about right here. Now, what I did ahead of time is I went ahead and I went to my Google Drive and I created this snack sign up sheet right here. So you can do something like this. I put some special notes on here for people to look at. Child's name, parent name, snack type, dates that they can sign up for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to the bar at the top. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to Canva. Now what I want to do is I want to generate a QR code. Okay, so I'm going to click on that QR code that's over here on the left. Then I'm going to paste that where the Google Drive sheet is that I have. I'm going to generate the code. So voila, there it is. There's my code for my sign up sheet to share. Now, let's say I want to make this a little bit cuter because, you know, it is a snack sign up sheet, right? So I'm going to come back up here to the elements on the top left. I'm going to search for snacks. And maybe I should put healthy snacks. So let's, oopsie, typo. Okay. Sorry about that. All right, so let's pick something healthy. Let's see, how about, I don't know, let's put an apple. All right, so I'm gonna make that smaller. I'm just gonna put it down here in the corner. All right, and there's our apple snack. Actually, I'm just gonna make it just a tad bit smaller. And right now you can see it's on an animation. I don't really want that. Let's see if I can turn that off. Well, it didn't look. Oh, here it is on the timing. I'm just going to put 0. Let's see here. I haven't played with the timing part too much. Okay. Well, it looks like it's still going. Anyhow, you get the idea of how to build your sign-up sheet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get my phone, and what you need to do is make sure that you have Google Sheets, the app, on your phone for this to work. And so I have it on my phone. I'm getting my camera. I'm going to scan that barcode, and I pulled this up on my phone. So now I am just going to do a test here of, let's see, I'm going to fill out that sheet real quick. Child's name. I'm just going to put Johnny, parent name, honey, and snack type. I'm going to put apples, and the drink, I'm just going to put water. Okay, and then I'm going to save all that. Now I want you to see something here. I'm going to go back to my Google sign-up sheet. Now I can see everything that I just filled in. I signed up for the 25th, and you can see all my information populated. So let me go back to Canva. So you can download this sheet and email it out to everybody and just tell them to use their camera to take a photo and sign up. And you would come up here to download it. It's kind of behind my logo here, but there's a download button right here. So I'm going to click that button, and then you can see the options to choose. I just want to do a PNG, so I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to download it. And then when I download it, what's going to happen is you'll see it come down here. And then what I would do here is right here, you can click show in folder. Then that's going to show you where it downloaded on your computer. So you can go there and then either move it to where you need it to go, or, you know, just leave it there. So just so you know where it's at on your computer. All right, so I'm going to close out of that. So that is QR codes. One other thing I want to mention is right here, you can name your design, so whatever you want to name it, and then something that's familiar to you, and then you can create folders and save it. So anyhow, that is QR codes in Canva. I'm going to share a link to Canva in the comments. And so if you're interested, you can check out Canva. It is an affiliate link, so I would get some sort of commission for that, just so you're aware. But if you have any questions about QR codes or using Canva, let me know. My name is Honey Bueno. I'm the CEO of Tracking Transactions, where we help insurance agencies with their bookkeeping and their profits using systems called Applied Epic and Profit First. And again, I use Canva in my business as a business owner, and this could be used in personal life as well. So much fun to play around in. I'll be here next Wednesday at noon CST to share another tip with you in business. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks, and take care.